Hi, this video is going to cover invoices. From the menu, click on Invoices. Once you're on the invoice dashboard, go over to the menu, click on Add Invoice. 3 invoice types you can pick from: work order, a project invoice, or a CRM client invoice. We'll go ahead and choose CRM client. Find the client from the drop-down. It'll prompt if you want to use that client's associated information. We'll go ahead and choose the billing client info to save us some time on filling out this information below. Go ahead and fill out the invoice title. You can manually type that in. You can include an invoice description. You can set a labor tax and an equipment tax. Go ahead and save. Once you're taken into that invoice, several ways you can add items to your invoice. Go over into the menu, click on Add Line to Invoice. Several different types to choose from. You can pull in from a work order. Keep in mind those items will have to be marked as completed or checked off as installed if you're using inventory in order to be billed on this invoice. You can pull in from products. You can type any general item manually. You can pull in by a labor item. And if you're using inventory, all of your warehouses will show here. And finally, you can pull in to an invoice using portal products. We'll go ahead and choose our products. You can see here it'll populate all the information for that product for you. You can adjust the quantity, set a phase, choose labor hours. You can choose to add that product labor to the lines. We'll go ahead and leave that checked. And we'll save. If you need to add in additional items, you can do so from here. If not, otherwise close the modal if you're done. You can see here it pulled in that product along with the labor. Going over into the menu, you can always add additional lines back to the invoice if anything else is needed. You can delete any of the invoice lines if anything was pulled in by mistake. You can edit the invoice if any of the details when you first set up are incorrect. Those can be changed from here. You can also choose to email the invoice directly using our system. Or if you rather type out an email to the client yourself and get that configured, you can click on Print Invoice. This will allow you to change the printer destination to save as PDF. Again, if you rather attach the PDF to an email. And some other features of our invoice section is you can obtain a signature right from here. You can mark this as sent. And once it's paid, you can also mark this as paid. Thank you for watching Invoices.